So hello everyone, today we are going to assemble the acrylic case for the Arduino Uno board which is provided in the Aarksh Arduino Starter kit. So let's start assembling it. First we will take the bottom piece. I have already peeled the sticker, brown color sticker. You need to peel it manually. So place these holes should be bottom, not at up. It should be at bottom like this. And now you need to place these four small bolts. Take the four small bolts and place it here. 1, 2, and the last one 4. One here and one finally here. After placing it, hold it gently with your fingers so that it will not fall out. Okay, now it's perfectly placed. So now let's start adding the spacers. This is the first spacer. 1, 2, 3 and the 4 last. After that, start adding the brackets. So the bigger part should be at the front, means at the top. The bigger part at the front side. See here, the bigger hole actually. Place it here, and at the last here. Okay, so now this thing is done. Now place your Arduino board. So now it is perfectly placed. So now you need to add this 4 screws. This one at 1, 2, 3, 4. So now I will add it and meet you later. So now I attached all the 4 bolts and nuts. Now it is looking like this. So now let's attach the upper case. Attach it perfectly. This one. Okay. So after placing it, hold it very tightly and add these 4 bolts, bigger bolts, like this. Hold it upside down for just now. Okay, so now this is perfect. Now I will add these 4 bolts also. I will meet you after adding these 4 bolts. Okay, so now our case is ready for the Arduino board. Now you can shake it, do anything with it. The Arduino board will not break. It is perfect. You can see everything is placed perfectly here in this case. And you will only left this one piece which was extra given. You can throw it or use it for other project. Thanks for watching. Thank you.